What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lil Clay Clay. Welcome to another video on Lil Clay Clay Vacuums, Fans, Machines, and Reviews. So today I have not one, but two Shark Navigator lift-aways. As you guys can probably tell if you're in the vacuum world or just in general. One of them is the older model, probably the original model, and the other one is the newer model, which would be this one right here. Belonged to my gym trainer after their Dyson broke and I couldn't fix it, or it was going to be too expensive, or they just decided to get another one after they found out I needed another part. And I guess Amazon didn't give them back another one, even though in my opinion they should have, because it was in the warranty. Not that it matters, because they still got another good vacuum. But like I said, this belonged to my gym trainer, and she just wanted me to clean it, so it's a Shark Navigator lift-away, like I said. I don't think much really needs to be done to it. But anyway, after that, I think I'm gonna use my Shark Navigator lift-away to clean it. Part of me wants to see if put this on my vacuum and fans list, or vacuum and mess list, because as you guys know, I have a list on my channel, wish list on my channel for fans if they want to order stuff for me to use for the mess videos or ASMR videos, or order some of the vacuums that are on there. But there's really no difference between this generation and that generation. I don't know about that crevice tool, because it doesn't look like it went to a Shark. It looks like it went to a wind tunnel, but maybe. It does go here, because look. I guess that's one difference, because I'm going to have this one for a while because my gym trainer and her family are going on vacation. So I'm going to do kind of a comparison video, even though there's really not much to compare these two machines. But anyway, first I'm going to go ahead and get it set up and use it and do a suction test, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a suction test. So everything on it looks good. I guess we'll go ahead while I'm recording. I might put a new filter on it. I got one extra new filter, even though I really want to, as much as I want to put it on that one, this one probably needs it more. Because she did say it needed to be cleaned. And I'm going to hopefully go to Walmart to get some more filters. While I'm talking, I guess, as you can see, I have all my vacuums here in some of them you probably haven't seen in the YouTube channel, or I know a couple like that Clean View you probably saw on my vlogging channel, because I used to do the vacuum videos on my vlogging channel before I moved into this channel. But I got them all in here because I couldn't stand having them in the shed, because it was hard for me to access them in the shed and easier to access the ones in my house, because sometimes it's hard to get in my shed. It's not hard, but it's poison ivy, of course, rain, mud, whatnot. Basically, to be honest, I just didn't want them in the shed anymore, and I'm really glad I did, because these are all dusty, as you can see, and these two machines need new filters bad. I don't know about the other ones, but anyway, I do have another filter on the way for my Dirt Devil Quick Light, but I am going to do a video at some point of all the vacuums in my collection so everyone can see. And yep. Okay, so you guys are going to have to bear with me a little. Also, for some reason I reset my camera, so the lighting might be different. But anyway, you're going to have to bear with me because my tripod's broke, so I need to get a new one. Probably got one right here I can use, but I don't feel like looking for it right now. Anyway, so... Second, let me try this. Can't see, I'm sorry. Like I said, just bear with me. This one now. Took the crevice tool off of their shark, and that seemed to get it off. I probably need to wash that filter. Hopefully I won't have to. It's better to vacuum your filters first before you wash them. That gets all the big stuff off and makes it easier to wash. Yep. And not after. I ended up not vacuuming because it was late at night. I still had a couple of things to do. But anyway, so the filters are back on. That was the other thing. I had to wait for the filters to dry because I had to wash the... I had to wash the filter a little. That's why you want to try not to have to wash them as much as possible because they can take extremely long to dry. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a little test run. Just do a little spot vacuuming, mainly because it's almost 9 o'clock and the house doesn't really need to be vacuumed that much. But yep. Looks like everything else on it is good. She picked up a good amount of dirt, as you can see, kind of. But anyway, guys, that wraps up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and subscribe to my vlogging channel as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.